Okay, greetings folks, quick update. For those of you who are in Chiang Mai, we'll continue to train at John's place until the 7th of January in the mornings. We'll kick off just a bit after 8, 8:15, 8:30. We usually meet at the coffee shop 8 o'clock and get a coffee, and then when we arrive at the training hall, we jump into it. The Philippines trip is from the 17th of January. Meeting Cebu. We'll be there for a few days, then Boracay after that. After Boracay, there's a couple of weeks of just open travel, and whoever's coming to that training will be doing 90 minutes to 3-4 hours in the mornings, and sightseeing, enjoying the environment in the afternoons. From the 15th of February, heading to Osaka. We'll do a couple of weeks training in Osaka, and then the 88 Temple Pilgrimage for 1 month, so that's cycling. I ordered a folding bike for that, so it should arrive in a few days. Just a small Brompton type bike, so it'll be very, very slow, but it fits in a suitcase, so it's quite compact. So that 1 month of the 88 temples. We'll same routine there as well. We'll do a sit at each of the temples, record a video, do a Dharma talk. Mostly going to be doing Buddhism on that trip. So we'll go through the different Dharmas, 88 temples, 88 Dharmas, and we'll do recordings on them as well. Then the April workshop is going to be in Kyoto. I'll keep my accommodation in Osaka, and it's a 90 minutes or so by train from where my usual hotel is, so I'm happy to make that journey. The venue is Narashiyama, so we'll most probably do morning sessions on the river, and then the formal workshop itself will be in the dojo near Arashiyama in the afternoons. So people just doing the 4-hour dojo session will be from midday till about 4. And then the mornings we'll just train in the park, have some lunch, and then head to the dojo. After the April workshop, I'll be around for another week or so in Osaka, so anyone training there, and then I'm going to head back to the Philippines. I've got to find a venue for the Intrinsic Energies workshop in June, and after this trip in the Philippines, I'll have a good idea as to where it'll be and so forth. So I'll try to source a venue then. Those of you who are coming to that workshop, thanks for your patience with not knowing the venue. But if you're flying into the Philippines, we'll have it in the Philippines. I just don't know where yet. Fly to Cebu, and then we'll work out a venue from there, out in the island somewhere. I'll try to find a huge Airbnb, like a 5-bedroom type place. We have nice grounds and gardens to train in and so forth for that one. So that'll be a lot of fun. Okay, and then after the June workshop, I'll stay in the Philippines for a few months until we do the 6 workshops in sequence in Chiang Mai again towards the end of the year, through October, November, December. So that'll be 12 weeks straight of workshops. And then the Master Circle meeting. Seniors, if you want to contact me, we're going to pick a venue for our yearly get-together. We're going to start going through more ritual magic and those meetups. And each person who's attending, and anyone who's done all 6 workshops is permitted to attend that. Each person attending presents in their field of expertise. So if you're a Tai Chi person, you'll present in Tai Chi. If you're a healer, you present in healing. If you're an astrologer, you do an astrology talk. Whatever your field of expertise is, you share with the group your developments and what you've been exploring and so forth. And so it's not me teaching or in charge. I'll be sharing a lot of information, but it'll be as a group, everybody will be sharing their developments and so forth. And that group obviously is going to get larger each year. But the next year's meetup I'm looking at the moment of, after I've done the 6 workshops, we'll have a master circle somewhere around the mountains of Chiang Mai. Not at the normal retreat center. We'll need something just a little bit bigger. but we'll find a venue. So any suggestions on where to run that, and whether the end of November, end of December sort of fits everybody as well. Okay, any questions about any of those legs of the training this year, this coming year, let me know. And if you're coming to Japan and you're looking for hotel locations, just email me. I'll let you know where I usually stay, and there's an area around Shinimamiya. It's the cheapest hotel area, 20-30 bucks a night. You get a hotel quite comfortably. I'm usually around there, and just email me. Yeah. All right. Thanks for your time, everyone. See you in the next video.